Dream of being a homeowner and not sure where to start? I've put together a comprehensive guide for people who are exploring down the path of homeownership but have not previously owned their primary homes. After watching this video, my goal is for you to have a better understanding of the home purchase process. I will give you a list of action items both in preparing for the home purchase and for what comes after you own the home. Danny Lau here from Lion Real Estate, empowering individuals and families with financial success through real estate. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel so when I share my latest real estate insights, you can be the first to find out. Did you know that, according to SoFi.com, the average first-time home buyer's age in the United States is 32 years old? How old were you when you bought your first home? Or how old are you now that you're planning on purchasing? Share in the comment section below. Some people advocate the first step to buying a home is to be emotionally ready for the task. But I disagree with that. Sure, you need to be emotionally ready before you purchase, but more importantly, your finances need to be in order. Here are my list of steps to purchasing a home. Step 1. Go talk to a local lender. Most lenders can qualify you for a mortgage without running your credit, so you don't have to worry about your credit score taking a hit. They will ask you personal questions, including your income, your employment status, your debt obligations, etc. In the chance that you're unable to qualify at the moment, either due to a low credit score, a high amount of debt, whatever the reason is, a lender can also provide you with a roadmap and action items on how to repair your finances to get to a point of qualification. Note, you should get in touch with a lender who is attentive and has a good reputation locally so that when you decide to put an offer on a home, the lender's reputation can provide strength to the offer, making it stand out. If you're repairing finances, it may take a year or two until you're financially ready, so you have plenty of time to get emotionally excited. Step 2. From there, a lender provides you with a qualified price tag. This is when you find a trusted realtor to partner with. Make sure your realtor knows the local market well and that he or she understands your needs. Before committing to a realtor, also be sure to do research on him or her. Look them up online to see the reviews or ask your friends and family about the past experience. Step 3. Go house shopping. With a pre-qualification letter in hand and a trusted realtor, this is where the fun begins. Look for a home that suits both you and your family's needs. Ideally, find a home in a good school district. Houses in good school districts in good neighborhoods tend to experience less volatility during market fluctuations. Pro tip: buy a house based on what you can afford monthly. You may qualify for a large mortgage, but that doesn't mean you should buy a house at your max price. It can be a wise decision to buy a conservative house so you don't stretch yourself. Step 4. Write an offer. You want to put your best foot forward. Depending on the situation, you may need to compete with other buyers. A home is to be loved for years to come. You want to write the best offer you can. Once your offer is accepted, you want to perform to the timeline of the contract, so you will need to submit to your lender and your realtor all necessary documents on time. Beyond that, your realtor should also recommend you good inspectors to ensure the house you're purchasing is sound and everything is well functioning. Should you find any issues, that will become part of the negotiations between your agent and the seller's agent. During the transaction, you will also want to shop for a homeowner's insurance so you have one of the biggest assets you own protected. Step 5. Congratulations! You're now a homeowner. As a homeowner, your job does not end there. Maintenance upkeep is an important task. Make sure you create a checklist to keep your home in top shape. Repaint the home every few years. Get rid of any dry rots. Get a roof inspection periodically to make sure your roof is in healthy shape. And take care of your yard so it does not become overgrown. There is a lot of normal wear and tear day to day, and it is infinitely less expensive to take care of things now than to discover many damages in your home years down the road when you decide to sell. Let's recap. Talk to a local lender today to figure out where your finances are. Find and use a trusted realtor. Have fun house shopping. Inspect the home when you find the right one to make sure you're well protected. And lastly, be sure to keep up with general house maintenance. There you have it, a step-by-step outline on the home purchase process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel. You can also set up a time with me to grab a cup of coffee so we can discuss how real estate can fit into your financial picture. And of course, if you enjoy my video, like it, share it, and tell other people about it. This is Danny Lau. See you next time.